Welcome to White Hat Face. In this video, we will be discussing about the language settings. So in case you wish to target somebody who is using a particular language, you can go ahead and target him using the language settings. However, the only point that you wish to note, this is the most important point rather, that you wish to note is that language settings target the users based upon the language of their interface. So at the interface of the Google, they should have set that particular language that you are using in your campaign or you are setting in your campaign to target them. So what is the language of interface? You can see the language of your own interface going over here. So we will go to Google. So once we go to Google over here, you can go ahead and you will click here. And then go to manage your Google account. And then you go down below. You will click on manage your data and personalization. And then down below, further down, over here you can see language is set as English India. So let's say you are targeting somebody who is using Hindi as the language. So what he should have done? He should be having Hindi over here. Instead of English coming here, he should be ideally having Hindi coming over here. So he should be having Hindi coming over here. Similarly, if you wish to target people with the Spanish language, then the language of Google interface should be Spanish. So they should be having Spanish coming over here. So the Spanish would reflect over here. So it is the language of Google interface that you target. It is not the language that they speak. It is the language of Google interface that you target. It is the language that they have set at the interface of the Google that you would actually go ahead and target. So let's assume you are creating an ad in English, and at the language settings, which is over here, when we come to the campaign, languages, over here, let's assume that you have written Spanish. So this is the language that you are targeting. However, once you are making the ad copy, you are using English as the language. So what would be the probability? The possibility is that these Spanish people might not be able to understand your ad copy. Why? Because had they been able to understand English, they would have rather not chosen the Spanish as the Google interface. They would have rather not chosen Google interface language to be Spanish. So that is why it would not be a very good idea to target languages over here with the language setting as Spanish and target such people with a advertisement which is made in English as the language. So in that case, the best thing for you to do is that you rather go ahead and target only those people who speak English, who have English. Since your ad copy is also going to be built in English, they would be able to understand it since their interface is also in English. The only thing is that somebody who has set a different language as the interface language might be having good number of chances that he is not able to understand English, and that is the reason he set it at a different language. And when you target them with an ad copy which is made in English, they might not even click on that, since they would not be able to understand it well, and then your CTR would go down, which is click through rate. There is a possibility that they might not even click, and when they not click, the CTR will go down. So it is a better idea if you are using a different language other than English, like you are targeting somebody with a Spanish language, let's suppose. So if you're targeting somebody with a Spanish language, you should ideally be having an ad copy which is also built in Spanish only, so that they are able to understand the ad copy and so that they give you a click. Moving on to the slide now. The slide says if your language setting is Hindi while running the ad in Google Ads, and if the interface of the audience is also in Hindi and he's searching in English, he would still see your ad. Why? Because the language settings target the users based upon the language of their interface. So in this case, the language of their interface is also in Hindi, so he will see your ad, though he is searching in English. Getting to the third point, however, if the interface is English and the audience is searching in Hindi, he won't. Why? Because again, the first point, it is always bases the fact that what is the language of their interface. So the last thing that is coming here is language settings can be changed later on as well. So you can always go ahead and change the language settings to a different language once your campaign has started running. Later on also you can go ahead and come to the language settings and change them. So with this, I end up this video on language settings. Request you to please subscribe to White Hat Ways. Thanks a lot for listening. Have a wonderful day.